You need to poop. You need to poop.
It makes me so happy.
Look at him rub his. Shirley, look at him
Oh
rub
my
his.
gosh.
He likes
Bobby
that beard.
Glenn.
Look at him.
Put your head down. Peekaboo!
Hi there. I love you.
Whoa, I think you wanted to go poo-poo. No.
Dad. You have more?
Oh yeah.
Let's go, Mike. And they were too young to find fart noises funny.
You're 3 months today. What do you want to say? Really? Old MacDonald had a farm. No, he didn't have a farm. No. I love you.
Buddy, are you tired? I'm sorry, bud.
Oh, sad baby, what the matter? Oh, me goodness. Oh, me happy baby. Hey. Hey.
What's that?
Orange. Mmm. Oh, so sweet and sour.
No. No.
Yeah, no, I just go with Cal. Right. So get it all polished up. I don't think so, sir.
2.
3.
How old are you gonna be?
3.
Say 2.
3.
Say 2.
3.
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Oh, goodness.
Do it again. Do it again.
Oh, bless you.
Why?
Good job, buddy. Look at you. Okay, look at you. Okay. Yeah. Now it. Go.
It looks like some weird ghost.
Boy, it's not blowing out.
No. No. Kaylee, can you clean up, honey? Kaylee, go clean up. Thank you, honey. What a good girl. Good girl, honey.
No matter what's getting in the way of your sleep, Mattress Firm can help find a solution, like Tempur-Pedic, so you can get back in the game.
Hold on, baby girl.
Hold on. No talking. You all the way up? Okay, you're off.
Yeah. No, don't smash him. Don't smash him.
You ready? 1, 2.
Daddy's hand. Nate, you know not to touch that, don't you? No, no.
Ollie.